Getting to Gmail in a single click. Let me show you how to set that up. Currently, to get to Gmail, first you have to open the browser, okay? And then once that's done, then either use a shortcut that you might have or might not have, or type in mail.google.com. So let's do that and get to my Gmail account. That's cumbersome. We can set this up so you only need one click to open Gmail. And you can do that right from your desktop. So let me show you how to do that. You have to be in Gmail. Once you're in Gmail, click on the three-dot menu up on top. And then go down to where it says Test, Save, and Share. Once you get here, what you want to select is Create Shortcut. Select it. Now, in this case, I want to change this to just simply Gmail. And then select Create. Once you've done that, you've created a shortcut on your desktop. Let me show it to you. Here is that shortcut. But most people need to double click in order to access anything that's in a shortcut. So what you can do is simply take this, hold down the left mouse and drag it down to the taskbar and stick it down on the taskbar. Once you've done that, now to get to Gmail, simply do one click on that new icon in your taskbar and voila, you're at Gmail. So this is how you get to Gmail in one simple click. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.